Gold at the Masaya volcano on April 30, 1538, during the era of Spanish conquistadors. A man named Blas del Castillo traveled with a group of workers to the Masaya volcano in what is now Nicaragua due to rumors that its lava lake contained molten gold. Over the span of several months, they extracted molten material from its active lava lake, thinking that they were rich. However, they were disappointed when no gold or silver was found upon analyzing the samples they obtained. Although this story is an amusing anecdote, there in fact is a volcano that erupts molten gold which is erupting right now. Gold at Mount Erebus. This gold does not flow out of the volcano in question as tons of material each day, but rather through releasing millions of tiny solid gold crystals into the air. The volcano which produces this gold is known as Mount Erebus, which emits approximately 80 grams of gold each day. Mount Erebus is located far south of New Zealand in Antarctica, where it is centered 37 kilometers north of McMurdo Station. This volcano is unusual for a number of reasons. Not only is it the tallest active volcano in Antarctica, but it also is one of the coldest. Yet, at its summit is an active lava lake, of which only 7 other volcanoes out of more than 1,300 contain. Erebus is the tallest volcano to contain an active lava lake, and the rapid cooling due to the frigid temperatures might explain why it is the only volcano known to emit solidified gold particles. How gold deposits form. Gold is relatively common in deep magma chambers, where it occurs in the range of typically less than 1 part per million in the molten material. Some of this gold is then concentrated and brought to the surface through heated water, where it is emplaced at depth in the conduit the water takes right above where the water boils. Thus, many gold deposits formed beneath ancient active volcanoes on what used to be a series of hot springs. Gold can also be precipitated around volcanic fumaroles, or even around the active volcanic crater of an erupting volcano. For example, the Goleros volcano in Colombia produces 56 grams of gold each day, which is emplaced around its highly active vent. Gold at Goleros. The deposition of gold at Mount Erebus is relatively similar, except in the case of this volcano microscopic particles of gold crystallize on the cooler crust of its lava lake. For a period of several minutes to hours, additional gold particles grow around a piece of gold forms at Erebus.